let's work on finding some pictures that begin with the letter Z. What sound does Z make? Z. You got it. Were your teeth together when you made that sound? Z. All right. You notice at the top, you know what to do. We have the letters N-A-M-E. That spells name. Put your name on that line. Try and have your letters not go under the line, but have all the letters stay on the line. Okay. All right, let's look at our pictures here. Do you know what this is? You might not know. This is a zucchini. Do you hear the Z sound? Zucchini. Right, I do too. I'm going to color the zucchini. And do you know that zucchini is usually purple? It's kind of a very deep, dark purple. I wonder if you like zucchini. Okay, what's this picture? Table. Table. Does that start with the Z sound? No. What do you think we should do with that? Right, just leave it alone. How about this? What's this a picture of? Zipper. Does that start with Z? Zipper. It does. I'm going to take my silver crayon this time, and I'm going to color my zipper silver. Can you see that silver? It's kind of hard to see on here. Okay, zipper. How about this? A boat. Boat. Does boat start with Z? Z. No. Let's leave it alone. This here is called a zigzag. Does that start with Z? Zigzag. It does. Right. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to color my zigzag green. That's one of my favorite colors. I think it's because I like being outside and I like the green trees and the green grass and the green bushes, which everything is turning green now. Yay! Okay, how about this animal? Zebra. Does that start with Z? Zebra. You know it does. All right. And what color are the zebra stripes? They're black, right? My crayon's a little thick here. It's kind of hard to just get the stripes. But you get the idea. All right. How about this next picture? Snake. Does that start with Z? Z. No, it starts with an S. Right, snake. All right, and how about this number? 0. Does that start with Z? Z. 0. It does. Let's color that one too. Okay, nice job. Let's count how many Z pictures we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our number 5. I don't have a pencil right by me today. I'm going to use my crayon. Number 5, the man with the big belly wears a hat. 5. 5 Z words. All right. Good work today, my friends.